Hello everyone. Today we will see how to verify your website with Google Search Console. Google Search Console is nothing but a like data analytics tool from Google. It helps you to understand like how many impressions your website is getting, how many clicks your website is getting, and which keywords are bringing you impressions, and what is their average ranking. So it gives you complete picture about your website. So it's a very important tool, and every website should have have every website should have integrated with Google Search Console. This gives you a lot of information about your website and the traffic you are getting, or the traffic your website is getting. So I'll show you how to add your website to Google Search Console. So this is the website I'm going to add. So I'm just copying. I've already logged into my WordPress backend and I have installed Yoast SEO. So this is the plugin I'm going to use to verify my website with Google Search Console. You can just, I've already shared a video in my channel about how to install a plugin in WordPress website. So you can see the video to know how to install a plugin in WordPress website. And this is the plugin I'm going to use to verify the website with Google Search Console. So I'm just copying the root URL of the website. This is the search console. You can log in search.google.com and you can log in. So go to select property, give add property. In the URL prefix, just copy this URL. Just go to add property. This is the URL. You will get this continue option. Click continue. So you will have a lot of options to verify your ownership. The first thing is like you can download this HTML file and you can upload it to your website through file manager. So this is a complex process where you need to have access to your cPanel and you should be technically aware of your website. So the no easy way is to use this HTML tag option. So this is the option. Just you can just copy this thing. You can just copy it, and in site in Yoast SEO you get the site connections. Click the site connections and paste it here. After pasting, just save changes. Just save now. Now you can go and click verify. See ownership verified. You can go to property. It will take at least 2 to 3 days of time for Google to show you the impressions and clicks and everything. So this is the way how you can add your website to Google Search Console. And the next video, I'll be showing you how to add your sitemap to Google Search Console. Sitemap helps your adding a sitemap helps Google to index all the pages in your website easily and in a faster way. So that will be a very useful video for people who are looking to get their website index faster. So if you like the video, kindly like the video, make a comment, and share it in your YouTube. Share the video, so that will be very helpful for us. And I'll meet you soon with one more video. Thanks.